Hey you guys, um, sorry, I've been changing the scenery around a lot. I'm in front of my house. Uh, yeah, okay, me and a couple of friends have been having like really bad days lately. And, oh, sorry, that's my dog right there. Hold on. Bo! Bo! Would you shut up? Okay, now he got the other one barking. Whatever. Okay. Looks like someone wants to come in. Okay, so, mine is because of this total hottie, great guy, great voice, supposed to have this great personality. But you know what? He's a dick. Most guys are. And most women, you suck. You're annoying. No one wants to hear about your freaking feelings, okay? If you find a guy who does, he's probably gay. And guys, don't be dicks. Just because you have one doesn't mean you have to act like one. Okay. But yeah, he's been sorry. He's been going she, it thing has been going through a lot, for a while now. Because family and all of that. I don't want to really get into it, but just know if you ever need me, I'm there for you. So yeah, you've been helping me out with a lot of feelings lately, and kind of showing me that someone's a dick. So thank you, because without that today, I would still be for a dick. I mean, like, I don't see. Also, you guys, you know who I'm talking to. My friend and this dude. Oh, let me. Nope, y'all don't need to see that. Don't need y'all stalking me. So yeah. Y'all know who y'all are. Why are y'all fighting and want each other dead? Like, really? Like, I don't want y'all dead, like, but serious, I don't. And if someone tells you otherwise, they're crazy, because I like both y'all. Yeah, I think one, like, literally does like me, and I think one was just using me, and, like, I totally just found out today. Because, something had happened, and then, I was talking to them while they were in the hospital, and, yeah, he's a complete dick. I have been saying dick a lot lately. So pardon my lewdness. Eh. So, yes, I had trees. A bunch of trees. Trees everywhere. I like how my hair is just staying perfectly still. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Well. Okay. Well. Still need to catch myself. Okay. And more trees. Woo! Not those. That's the same tree. Okay. So yeah. that has been my day. And like I said, even with y'all guys, if y'all ever need me for anything, just come and ask. Like, just be like, hey, Miss Fred, I have this problem with some people, and, what should I do about it? Don't be afraid to, like, well, this is something that my friend has been recently teaching me. Don't be afraid to just express your feelings. Grandma, do not lock me out. Hold on. Well, I gotta go. Bye. Mwah.